Day in the life of a Prestige member at Cedar Point. All right, here's the regular parking. Up and to the right here, you're going to see a preferred parking booth. So we're just going to kind of go in and we're going to show them our Prestige Pass.
Morning, how are you?
Morning, how are you?
Good.
Great. Oh.
You're good.
All right, thank you. We're going to find a nice little spot right up here by the front. And if you look to the left, you'll see that we are right by the entrance. All right, and here's some spots right up here. And we'll be in the first row closest to the entrance. Entering the gate. All right, here you can see the line, people waiting to get in when the park opens. Here's the entrance. You got gatekeeper going for our early entry folks. And you'll notice that on the right, all those, or on the left rather, we have all of those lanes are filled with people waiting for the park to open. And then on the very right, you'll see we have preferred Prestige members. All right. And we'll just come right up here, scan, and we'll go in for early entry and show them our Prestige passes. All right, we're in.
Hey everybody, this is the last part of our Prestige series. Come on, follow me. We're going into the Millennium VIP Lounge. Come on. All right, so here we are. We are entering the lounge. When you get to the lounge, you have to show them your Prestige Pass. Or somebody as lovely as young Peyton here will find you a wristband, which you can now use to get the rest of the day to get in. Our cameraman already has his wristband.
Great, I love it. Do you want to get your tank refill right now as well, sir?
I would love to.
All right,
so
absolutely.
we also this year here at Cedar Point and most of the other Cedar Fair parks who are now offering Prestige
What's that for you?
have a fountain area where you can get yourself
There you
a
are.
nice drink if you are a member of the drink plan. Although there are other Cedar Fair parks that just give it to you just for being a Prestige member. But here at Cedar Point, we need to have a drink pass. All right, thank you so much, Peyton.
You're
All right, come along here. We can see we also have some snacks. We got some Cheetos. We got some cookies. Well, I love those little sandwich cream ones. Those are delicious. Peanut butter, oatmeal raisin. Got some different chips. Usually there's some other flavors as well, but we're getting all you can see. We got some merchandise over here. Oh, and to the left we have beer. Lots of different kinds of beer and bottled water. However, we do have a little water dispenser here for infused water with lemon. You can just come over here and grab those whenever you want and fill up the cup. I'm going to get myself a little, I guess I'll do some Coke Zero. A little splash of cherry. All right. All right, so this is the new lounge. What they did was they put in a whole structure here now so we can actually, it's not just a tent. It used to be a tent. To the left, we have some picnic tables, some flowers. We have nice, comfortable seating inside here with some televisions. And I'll notice, I'm trying to get away from some people here. I don't want to bother anybody. We're going to come through here. It's busy in the lounge, probably because it's starting to rain. And you can see it's attached to every pole here. We do have an electrical outlet, so if you bring a brick and a cord, you can charge your phones. And then we also have cornhole here, so maybe that's it. So the Prestige here, it's a great benefit. As you guys saw earlier, it got you preferred parking. It got us a little special entrance right into the park. And we have the lounge here, which is nice. You can always come in and get a drink or a snack, keep out of the cold and the rain. And you also get a 15% discount. So that applies to all of your merchandise and any food and beverages. And in addition to that, you get 2 Bring a Friend passes to use at any time to bring a friend with you to Cedar Point or any of the Cedar Fair parks that offer the Prestige. All right, so that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and this was informative.